Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the voice in Fliki AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to app.flicky.ai and make sure that you are logged in. And once you have confirmed that, then you have a variety of options that you can choose from. Most likely you're going to be using a video, you're going to be creating a video or creating audio. They do have the image generator as well. You can create thumbnails for your videos. That's what that's primarily for. Now with the video, you're probably going to be doing one of two things. Either you can create an idea, or you can start with an empty file. We're going to go ahead and start with an empty file because it'll be easier to demonstrate this. Before I do, I'll just mention that you can also change the voice to your own voice by using the voice clone. So if we click on voice clone here on the left hand side, then you'll see that you have the option to clone your own voice. However, if you click that, then you'll find that you have to upgrade your plan in order to have access to the voice clone. Now, if you want to change the voice of the speaker in a project that you're using, we're going to go back here home and we're going to go ahead and click empty to start a blank file. Here, we'll go ahead and just type in test, and you have some options here to choose from. Now first off, if you want to change the voice to a different language, then that's where you can do that here. So you could set that to whatever it is that you want. We're going to go ahead and just click submit. And then from here, you're going to see that you have a blank project page, and you're going to, on the left hand side here, you can either add your own background audio, but what you might want to be doing here is where it says scene, you're going to click this, and then once you click that, that's when you're going to see that you have the option to change the voice. And for the free tier, you only have two options at this point. You've got Clara and you've got Liam. So you either have a female or a male, and depending on the language that you change, it'll basically be the same voice, just in a different language. You do have some other options here, but these are only available for the premium subscription. So keep that in mind. But this is basically where you can come in order to change the language for your projects. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.